Hello! In this video I'll show you how I make simple clips for fast removable belt on almost all kind of Sony cameras. I got two Sony cameras, A6000 and A6500, using more or less for taking video in my workshop, but also usable as family photo camera. For shooting video in my workshop I don't need a belt, much easier work without it. But when I use camera outside, the belt is some kind of must-have stuff. So put the belt up and down to the camera is pretty annoying. Every time takes us a golden minute or two. And that's not the only problem. Even if you remove the belt from the camera, there stay clips on it, which can make pretty loud sound on video if you remove the camera. Just listen that. Okay, first of all I will remove this original clips out of body. Clips is pretty strong, so I remove it with a small screwdriver. Remove the plastic and then it's the same as basic K-ring, just harder, a lot harder. When the clip is removed, put it on both ends of the belt. Okay, now I need to make some clip to connect belt ring with the tiny hole on camera body. I'll make this clip out of 1.5 mm spring wire, which is too hard to bend without heating, so I make some mold for easier bending. Firstly draw the shape of clip onto aluminum plate. Then mark the position for the screws, which hold the wire on its place while heating. For bigger radius I'll make a washer out of aluminum. Now I drill a 3 mm hole to put M3 screws in without thread. This is how final mold look like. Now I take my little rocks and prepare about 10 cm of spring wire. Then just heat wire and start bending from start till the end of clip. Pretty soon I got the shape of clip out of piece of wire. Now cut off the excess piece of wire. And grind a bit of flat surface on touching point, so the clips close better together. There you can see where I grinded that flat surface. The clip is pretty soft at that moment. In that step grind also both end of wire to lose all the sharp edges. You can use also sandpaper. When the clip is finished and brushed enough, there's time to harden them. I heat entire clip to a cherry red color and drop it into oil. With that process spring wire become hard and also get a bit of black rust protection. We can repeat that step a few times to get a better black color. Then wipe excess oil with a towel and turn the tongue of clip inside. There you can see the difference before and after thermal process. The clip is now finished, so I can put it on a belt, but before usage on a €1500 worth camera I'll make some tests. I fixed one end of belt, connect both clips together and another end plug a pull weight gauge, so I pull with about 20 kg. I make more dead clips, so here I use one hardened and one not, to clearly see the difference. Force there is about 20 kg. I think they're strong enough. I don't think to pull camera with 20 kg and more. That's it. The belt is now really fast and easy to remove it and install back on. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.